This is the video guide about getting rid of the online scam by the website Dofenpas.xyz. Dofenpas.xyz is a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and the other browsers. Dofenpas.xyz tries to make you really scared about the condition of the computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. But if you see these pop-ups, you need to disregard whatever they tell you. Just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching this system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.